Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Davinci Resolve. This is a great way to make your text stand out against any background and add a professional touch to your video projects. Let's jump right in. First, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools you need for working with text and effects. Now shift your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on Effects. From there, click on Titles. This opens up all the text options available in Davinci Resolve. You'll see several title templates, but for this tutorial, we need the Text Plus option. Go ahead and drag Text Plus directly onto your timeline. This creates a new text layer that you can fully customize. Once it's on the timeline, click on it to select it. With the text layer selected, look over to the top right and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is where all the detailed controls for your text live. Before we add the outline, you'll want to edit your text first. Simply type whatever you want in the text field. Now that your text is set, it's time to add the outline. Click on Shading within the Inspector panel. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option called Select Element. Click on 2. This switches to the element that controls the text outline rather than the main fill. Next, make sure you click Enabled. This activates the outline so you can start customizing it. Head over to the Appearance section and click on the text outline icon. Here you'll find a checkbox labeled Outside Only. Go ahead and check that box. This ensures the outline only appears around the outside of your text, giving it a clean, professional look. Next, let's adjust the thickness of the outline. You'll see a slider labeled Thickness. Use this slider to make the outline thicker or thinner depending on your preference. Play around with it until it looks just right for your design. Now it's time to choose a color for your outline. Click on Color and a color picker will appear. Select whatever color fits your video's style. This is where you can get creative and match your brand or theme. Once you're happy with the outline, go back to Select Element and click on 1. This switches back to the main text element. Now uncheck Enabled. This removes the fill from the text, leaving only the outline visible, which creates a bold, eye-catching effect. And that's it, you've successfully outlined text in Davinci Resolve. Your text now has a crisp, clean outline that will make it pop on screen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.